Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix Play Store app not working. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your phone. Scroll down, locate and click on apps. On the apps page, click on the search box and then search for Play Store. Select Google Play Store. Now scroll down the page, locate and click on storage. After that, click on clear cache at the bottom right. Now you can also click on clear data, but this will delete the application data permanently. This will include your file, settings, account and database. So this is not necessary. Again, go ahead and open the Play Store application now. Once you open it, hang on. If it opens, lucky for you. Then click on the profile picture at the top right. Go ahead and click on Settings. On the settings, locate and click on About. Now scroll down, click on Update Play Store. And hang on, if there is an update available for you, go ahead and update it, and then you're good. So that is exactly how to fix Play Store app not working. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.